One of the steps of buying a home is the number one thing is probably reach out to a realtor. Make sure that you connect with the realtor. That would be the first thing. Just make sure, because there's all different walks of life. I may not work for you, you may not work for me. So I need to understand what it is that you're looking for, okay? Your wants and your needs, and then we go from there. We sit down and we make a game plan. There has to be a plan put in place for us to be successful. To add to that, what I would say is once we figure out a game plan, then your second move is to contact a mortgage broker or a banker to see how much money you can buy or can be loaned. And doesn't mean that if you're pre-approved for $500,000 that we have to spend all that. Let's find a home within your budget that fits for you. We don't want to make you house poor. So again, that's one of the biggest processes in buying a home. There are many of them. You couldn't go over all of them because they're unique to the buyer in everyone's situation.